Hey guys, JC here, Great Aussie Caravans. I've just come back from the Brisbane show, and after doing all the major shows this year, the feedback on the new 2024 range has been absolutely incredible. One question I've been asked a lot though is they're wanting to see the entire range. As one of the custom builders in the industry, and the only one that offers both timber, aluminium and our brand new Fibertech construction, we cater for everything from your standard entry-level touring van all the way through to your extreme off-road Tonka series. So what we're going to try and start doing is each week I'm here at the factory, we're going to pick a van that's coming off the floor and we're going to show you a van of the week so you can start to see and visualize some of the alterations and changes that we've made. Today here we've got a 17'6" Great Aussie Caravan Xplora. Now this one here is a customer van. They've added a few extras, so obviously your stone deflector, your front box with slides each side and jerry cans each side, your light bar, that is all standard. Now an extra that the customer's added here is a pull-out storage bin in the tunnel boot. Great for getting that stuff to you instead of having to climb in your tunnel boot, and one of the many options that we do offer. Now it's got all the standard 2024 Xplora stuff with your bug lights. They're both amber and white. You've got an entertainment hatch in here, keeping all your power points and TV points away from dust and water ingress. But we run a second power point too. So if you've got an outside fridge, you can have that running. Standard outside table. Now this beauty is situated on 3-ton suspension, and she's on Mickey Thompson tyres as well. So it's all high quality stuff with 100mm chassis razor and our traditional underfloor lighting. So that gives that nice fire cam ambient without attracting all the bugs. You've got your new slimline windows. They've been very popular because we have gotten rid of the concertina blinds inside. So it's all smooth blinds and screens now, which is a lot easier to clean. As we hop inside, now there's an abundance of colours to choose from, with over a dozen bench tops, splashbacks, 20 cupboard fronts, a dozen floorings, and umpteen amount of upholsteries. So what you see today looks amazing, and this is the customer's own personal little choice. Now this is quite rare. This is one they've ordered with single beds, which is becoming more popular. One, it gives you that big space in the centre to get changed. Two, it means the husband actually gets half a bed for a change. Now in the middle, they've gone for a low-level coffee table setup, but it is also available for full height wardrobe. As you can see, the single beds, you also get all those extra cupboards around up top as well. So you do gain a little bit more storage. Kitchen on the awning side, dining there, your big 2-door fridge freezer, and your full ensuite across the back with your washing machine. Now they've stuck with the standard electrical system, so it's got 600 watts of solar, 2000 watt inverter, 200 amps of lithium battery, and on the roof you've also got a Dometic DRS as well. So when you're doing those off-road tracks, it's actually going to try and prevent and keep all the dust from entering your van. This week, guys, I thought you'd want to see this little beauty because I've been asked about the single bed vans a lot around the country, and the dealerships, we don't really keep them there. So you're going to see all these different new models coming through, all the different customization people are adding, an umpteen amount of color schemes, and I think you're going to be really impressed and see the variety that we do offer the consumer. This week I decided to show you the single beds because one, that's a lot of question I've been asked around the country is, hey, what does it look like? And as you can see, it does give you a lot of floor space and all that extra storage. So now you know. Now, for any of our WA customers, pop in and see our dealer over in Western Australia, which is Luxury RVs at Rockingham. They've got a monster annual sale starting tomorrow. So it goes Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and my national sales manager, Brenton, will be over there to give a hand as well. Any questions you got, guys, please fire them in the comments. And hey, we're happy to help. And if you'd like any more information, just shoot us an email and we'll send it all out to you. Thanks very much, guys. Appreciate your time.